Welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to take you through a step-by-step practical process of how to reinstate your disabled advertising account or page. So if your page is restricted from advertising, just like what you are seeing here, we have something like this page isn't allowed to advertise. This is because the page didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies affecting business assets or other standards such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, associating with untrustworthy accounts, can create ads or can create or run ads. Now, you see, when you want to request, when you look at the right hand side, you can see request a review. Now, I want to let you know why this even happens a lot nowadays. Every day, I get tons of people contacting me with restricted accounts. The account gets banned or restricted every day, and it's a very disturbing news. Sometimes, if you are not determined or you don't have someone guiding you, you will even give up and you will not even be able to continue with your business because you want to do this, they restrict you. You create a new page, they restrict you, and it is so frustrating. And so I will take you through a step-by-step process to get your page reinstated. Now, so first of all, for those who don't know how to come to account quality on the computer, if you are using the phone and you want to do this, I advise you not to do it on the phone, come to the computer. That is where you can see the details of the problem and how to get it fully resolved. So first of all, you log into your Facebook account. And so after you log in, when you log in, you look on the top. Okay, so you go to your page or go to account quality to check if you know you are having a restriction. So you can go to the ad manager. Then when you get to the ad manager, you click on the three lines and the top left-hand corner, click on account quality. So when you click account quality, it will bring you to account quality. And here we are in account quality, seeing the details of the restriction. If you want to know the health of the account in detail, you click on Facebook account. Check here. If the user account is restricted, you will see it written below the Facebook account where the name, your name, or the name of the account will show. Then when you come down under pages, if you have a page restriction, you will see it just like what I am seeing here. If you click on business manager, if you have any business manager restriction, it will show on the business manager. So as you can see, I don't really have any business manager restriction. So the restriction I have is related to the page. So I'm going back to the page. So under pages, I want to reinstate this page. So if you look at it, probably we haven't violated any of their policies. This is a page for one of my clients. We have not really violated any of their policies, and it could just be a mistake. Most of the time, the system keeps on scanning from time to time to make sure that you follow their policies. And these are algorithms. These are machine learning. It's a system. It's not a human being who is there disabling your page. So if it is a user account, when you click on request review, they will ask you to confirm your identity. Even with a page, in some cases, they may ask you to confirm your identity before you can request a review. But most of the time, if it's a page, they won't ask you to request a review. Now, if it is a user account or other account or business manager, they will ask you to request a review. So before you request the review, when you click on get started, they will ask you to confirm your identity. So you have to come and make sure your identity is confirmed. So how do you do that? You take time, and here you come to your account settings. Then you make sure that you go to the settings, go to settings and then privacy, then personal and account information. You see your name. You make sure that you edit your name to fit your first, middle, and last name. If your name is not matching with your account, the identity confirmation card that you're going to use, they will permanently disable the account. So make sure the first and last name and the middle name It's matching with the card you're using. And what type of card can you use? It could be passport, it could be driver's license, it could be national identity card, it could be voter ID. Take time to make sure everything is matching. Then you come back to your home, go to your account, basic information, make sure that your birth date, make sure your birth date, then your gender is matching. Make sure all those match. If you check and all those are matching, come back and request a review. Now we are going to write a letter and then request for the review to get reinstated. So here we click on get started. Then they will ask you. So for those that will have to confirm the identity, you will confirm the identity. After you confirm, you add, you upload your ID card. They will now ask you to proceed to request a review. And what is the reason why you're requesting a review? Then you can click on another reason. Then you explain whatever you want to say. So for example, so this is what I'm saying. I'm saying that dear Facebook or Instagram, dear Facebook or Meta, my Facebook account has my Facebook page has been restricted, and it has greatly affected my business because my business depends on Facebook ads to sell. I am told I didn't comply. My page didn't comply with one or more policies, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent their ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. And I know this is not true. I don't have any intention to violate any Facebook policies, and I am extra sure I've not violated any Facebook policy because I've taken time. I've set so many Facebook ad campaigns, and none of them has ever been rejected. And I'm sure this will definitely be a mistake. So if in case I have violated a policy without knowing, they should please forgive me. I don't have any intention to violate their policies. I want to sell and then follow their policies and go my way. I have no intention to violate their policies. If in case I've made any mistake without knowing, they should forgive me and reinstate the page for me. And then after that, we click on submit or send, and it will be submitted. We have to wait within 48 hours. Now, there are some of you who you have followed the right procedure to do it, and you don't get a result, or Facebook keep restricting your account. Sometimes you may not even follow the procedure rightly. You need help. So in this case, we are available to help get your account reinstated, to make sure that if you are advertising, you are spending a lot of money, and then you are not getting the right results. You need an advertising solution. You need assistance so that your advert can run again and give you the best results that you are looking for. Our team are available, and then you can take a look at this video. Watch this video to the end, and if you need help, you can follow the links in the description to contact us, and we will help you. So let's look at this video. You may be trying so hard to make sales, but still not meeting your monthly sales targets. The major reason why this happens is because you don't have an effective marketing plan. 70 to 90% of your success in business will depend on having an effective marketing plan, and not about having a great product or a service. That is why average products with great marketing strategy are able to sell more than great products with average or poor marketing strategy. Whether you have been glued to traditional advertising, or you spent your marketing budget on social media ads that did not give you any meaningful results, or some social media guru taught you some online marketing tricks that did not work, we will set up a highly targeted and highly effective Facebook or Instagram advert with our advanced targeting systems that will drive sales and give you value for money. It is not just about posting on your Facebook Facebook or Instagram page and boosting it. Because when you do that, you are choosing the default ad creative, the default ad placement, the default audience, the default media customization. And that is why most of you spend a lot of money and don't get much result. In the last 3 years alone, we have set ads for over 1,200 businesses and have trained over 1,800 people in Ghana, USA, Canada, India, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Pakistan, and many other countries. Some of our customers or our clients don't have physical shops, but they are selling more than people who have physical shops and are not doing online advertising. Do you want to join the next batch of people who have an unending flow of online customers? Or do you have advertising restrictions such as boost unavailable? You are restricted from advertising or your ad account is disabled? Then do not hesitate to contact us. If you don't believe what I am saying, watch what our past clients say about us.
I was having challenges with my business some months ago that sales was not really doing well until a friend introduced me to Mr. Sana, who set up an ad on Facebook for me, and now I am running in shortage of goods because a week I can make sales like I have never had before. I encourage you to contact him and get your business to be running on Facebook. Thank you.
Okay, so as you can see, after watching the video, we are available to help you set high converting advert that will give you value for money. We have done this for several people, as you have seen. And then when you contact us, you'll get help. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more powerful videos like this that will help you to be on top of the game on your digital marketing and be able to make more sales online. Thank you for watching and bye.